Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to see deleted messages on Snapchat. So first of all, open Snapchat account. To profile icon. After that, click on setting icon. Scroll down. Select my data. Make sure to chat history enable option and click on to next. If you want to change your email, I don't have to change email address, so after that click on submit, and you need to just waiting some hour, then Snapchat team send you a email, and here you can easily download your all deleted messages. So that's how you can easily see deleted messages on Snapchat.